Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the concept or how you can enable the transitive attribute. I will be telling you the definition and also I will be showing you with some picture how you can enable the transitive attribute. A transitive attribute is a navigational attribute of a navigation attribute. Likewise, I can give you an example right here. Suppose you have a uh, employee attribute. Suppose you have a employee attribute and this employee attribute is having a navigational attribute called suppose manager. And again, this manager will have another attribute, another navigational attribute, suppose calling as uh, area. So suppose this employee is assigned, manager is assigned to this employee as navigation attribute, and area is assigned to manager for navigation attribute. Now, so what we will do using this BW modeling option, what we can do, this area can be accessed for navigation attribute with employee. So I can show you in the system, in the picture, so how you can this can be done. And this in the first screen you can see that. So this is a employee info object, and in the attribute tab here you have a manager which is a navigation attribute. Now again, if I right click on the manager and you have an option called maintain transitive attributes. So here what you can do, you have the option for the function area. That whatever the navigation attribute available for manager, you can get it here. You need to click on it and click on OK. And once you do that, and here under this employee info object, you can see the functional area is added with transitive attribute as true. So that is the important part, how you can enable the function area. So what is the importance or what is the use case now by doing this? In this way, you can access the data for function area in the query. So you no need to have the function area as a navigation attribute for employee, but it has a linking. It means first it has linked with your this navigation attribute, and now it has linked with this. So this functionality is only available in SAP HANA, SAP BW for HANA, and the good thing is, or there's one technical part is that if you see the employee table, the master data table for employee, you don't see the data for, or if you see the table in AC16, or if you see the select statement, you cannot get the data for the area, because this area is not a attribute for employee that you can see in the table, but it has a SID linking. That's why you can get the data into the query only. That's the difference. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have understood the concept, and if you have any question, please comment below. And also if you want to know more about this BW concept or anything, please comment below as well. Thank you.